water. Like,
Please stay tuned.
Oh, I'm breaking the rules.
Lexi. Hi guys, y'all are on camera. Y'all are being recorded.
You can't get in there. Who's going that one?
The Ferris wheel or the ferry? Oh.
Alright, is Landry Seafood. This historic company since 1989. Once an illegal gambling platform, the restaurant has survived several hurricanes and still stands proud.
I want to go on that one. The Ferris wheel?
I want to ride that.
Oh, yeah, I want to ride that too.
I want to get a lightsaber. That's where we're going next. Right after that, we're going there. I want a souvenir. Hopefully I'll be able to get one. I don't know. It depends on how much it is.
Get it!
Woo! Say hi to camera people.
Take a picture of the Pogo song.
It's on video. I'm videotaping.
Oh, okay. Just a crappy little boat.
On our right is the Clear Creek Channel. Every day, hundreds of watercrafts pass by on their way to Galveston Bay and beyond.
Okay, we're going into a tunnel.
Yeah, and then we're going drop.
Woo! Here we go. We're going to the cave. Oh, this is one where nothing shoots out. At least not yet.
What shoots out?
There's one tunnel where we go in and it's like the gunslingers. There's like gunslinger stuff. I don't know if it's still in.
The water. It's really gross looking.
Duh.
Yucky. I'm screaming!
Lexi, shut up.
The Lighthouse Buffet is an all-you-can-eat dining experience.
Hi! You're on camera!
I think we're almost done.
I don't think so. Just got Jack, I love you.
What?
Oh look, just got Jack.
I like their fish.
I like their shrimp.
Yeah, I think we're done.
No, we can't be done.
Why not?
what?
For a trip south of the border, the famous Cadillac Alpine makes it the restaurant is no best for its food and food.
Hi!
Hi, baby lady. I just saw if you got hit by the train. No, you didn't get hit by the train. Face painting. What the fuck?
Yeah, we ought to get a face painting.
I want my face painting.
Coming up on the right, you have the famous
Oh my god, dude! Hi! Crazy light. Woo, train!
Grand Plaza. This great outdoor environment.
I want a martini. Hi, polar bear dude! Look, a little playground! Look, the children! Oh my god! Oh my god! But the aquarium is where we ate dinner. Yeah.
Dinner was.
It was. I almost threw up my dinner while we were in the ride to the roller coaster. I almost lost my dinner.
Ew. No, I have a strong stomach.
So because like there was this bad smell that just came over me. It was like ugh.
Like syrup, but I can take.
There is the aquarium. Yeah, we ate there. In your face, CJ. I hope nobody's on this train named CJ.
Oh, I hope I can. Really fast.
Because I'm not talking to them. I'm talking to my brother.
Over at the Stingray.
Oh my god, it's sweet! Stingray! I want to get a picture with that shark.
There's one other thing when we go.
Yeah.
Why not take a walk through our dancing town? A great way to cool off at the day. In the background, you'll see our boardwalk and 52 spectacular rooms. A great getaway to relax and recharge. And don't forget over 40 shops filled with gifts for all ages.
Hi!
Bye, children.
Bye! Yeah, because we go forwards and then we go backwards. I know there's one where we're supposed to go into like a tunnel. I don't know. No, there's one where we go in a tunnel and like we have. I think it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. Hi. Hi. Cowabunga! I'm in this tunnel. It's only necessary. Yeah, we're going in a tunnel. This is the one where we're like, hi, cowabunga. Hi, Joe Scratch. Bye, Joe Scratch. No, I'm not. I love Freddy Krueger. Oh, I'm married to him. Ow, shut up. Stop pulling my hair. Stop pulling my hair. I'm videotaping.
I don't think so.
There's the entrance. Hi. Hi. Thank you. Fun waving.
I don't think we're going into the creepers are us.
Yes, we're going in the tunnel. In your face. Okay. No, this was different.
How do you know? This is
Because.
the one we came out of.
Oh, damn. I know this used to be one where it was like guns.
Come on, everyone. Train!
There was one where we were supposed to go, like, they got rid of it, didn't they?
Yeah.
Why? It was fun.
Oh my god, I think it's raining crap.
What?
I just totally crapped like dog soap.
Is that even possible? I wish we went through the tunnel with the gunslingers. I wish that was still up. It must have got damaged.
You say you wanted to go there.
Yeah, I want to ride that carousel.
Why?
I don't know. It just seems like fun.
You want to let your inner child come out?
Yes, I do.
Then let's freaking do it.
All right, let's do it hard. Hardcore, baby. Hi. Hi. That's so cool. They're coming out at us. Yeah.
Hi. Creeper. Ask him if he did you catch any fish?
Did you catch any fish? No. Okay. Hi.
Don't freaking tell him, man.
God bless America. God bless America. Go, ninjas, go. Go, ninjas, go. You saw your ninja. Okay, never mind. I said ninja.
There's the different tunnel up ahead.
Are we going to hit it? Let's get it. It is. Hi.
Let's touch it hard.
Ah, why are you poking me? Quit raping. No raping. No raping. Yes, I told you guys it was fine.
Furnace, okay?
I'm not. Stop. Lexi, that hurts. Told you. Yeah.
Somebody's gonna pop out.
I think.
I freaking knew it.
No, nothing's popping out.
Oh, darn it.
There used to be something where it popped out.
Where's everybody? Why didn't they come out?
Yeah, I know. They used to
Oh, there's
pop.
another one.
This way. People are gonna pop out here.
Hey, everyone, look out. It looks like we're caught in the middle of a gunfight.
Oh, this is interesting.
Yeah. Summit.
Hey, we're going slower. Stop it! Oh, shit!
Told you guys you're gonna do one. Gunslingers. Hi! Enjoy your time!
everyone okay? It looks like those outlaws finally got their match.
Are we done yet?
We didn't die, dude. Quit asking us if we're okay. I'm pretty sure we all just died. Hi!
Please remain seated.
Hi! Hi! Hi, don't say wave. Don't say hi. Stop moving! Alright, this is the end of the roller coaster. Train. The end of the train. Look at all those logs. No, it reminds me of Michael Jackson. Alright, bye guys!